Hi, Shell here from Shell's Craft Corner. In one of my hauls that I did, my craft hauls, we had the MDF coasters and holder. So today I'm going to show you how I got to mine. Now in our pack, tip it all out, you're going to get your 6 blank coasters. You're going to get your bottom piece, and it basically all slots in together. She says. So it's just like a puzzle. You just pop all your pieces in. Pop your ends in. And you're going to pop your front on, and there you'll have your box. So now I'll show you how I got to mine. So this is mine. I decided to decorate mine inside as well as outside, and I don't know, I'll tilt that about, hopefully you'll be able to see the glittery effect I've got. And I've already done 4 of my coasters. I'll try again for the glitter. Hopefully you'll pick it up, because they are very, very glittery. And I need these 2 for in a minute. Now, I've used a glass mat. If you haven't got a glass mat, you might have a craft sheet. If you haven't got a craft sheet, most of us have these things that we pop our bags in, just so that you can squeeze your paint. I've just used black acrylic paint. This one, I couldn't say the high viscosity, and it's 356, and it's a violet, an iridescent violet blue. And I got Mod Podge, which is the sparkle. I needed a sponge, which you'll see me use, and a little spatula, and of course our little stencil for our pattern. So now I'm going to show you how I got my design. Just before I start, I have a little partner in crime on my right. It's our little Jack Russell, and he's trying to get on the table to see what I'm doing. So if you hear any noises, it's Jack. Right, so everything started off blank. The first part was to paint it black. All I used was my black acrylic paint, my little sponge dauby thing, and I just swayed my black across. And obviously you've got to do that to all the pieces on one side, let them dry, do the other side. So now we've got this and all our pieces are dry, we've got all our black pieces. So the next step is our stencil, which I just pop mine over. This is why I said glass mat, because you just squeeze a bit out. My little piece of sponge, and I just got some on my sponge, and then I tried to get it so that I didn't have a blocked edge. And then all I did was gently tap. I actually thought this paint was pink when I started using it, and I just gently tapped all over. Now I would lift that up, and we'd leave our stencil to dry. So, if by magic, it's all dry now. So what the next step is to bring our sparkly Mod Podge in. Oh, I don't want you on there. I'm just going to get a little bit out. Pop that on my mat. I think I've got too much there. And I'm just gonna and once we've done all our pieces, we'll leave those to dry, and then we have to do the whole process on the other side. So if you like to get messy, as you can see, I've got nice pinky blue nails and sparklies, my type of crafting. Right, I'm just going to show you these because they're starting to dry now, and as you can see it's going from the pink to the bluey purple. How nice iridescent. And for those of you that were worried that the Mod Podge was going to be white, it's not. As you can see, it's drying clear, and it will be totally clear when it's finished, just like this is. So if you could like and subscribe, that makes me happy. If you click the little bell, that will let you know next time that I pop something up. I will do a blog post to go with these, and you'll find that at shellbower.blogspot.com. I hope you've enjoyed this today, and until next time, bye bye.